Association of India organized a seminar on aluminium in building and construction held in Bangalore. T.M. Thomas, Principal Architecture of Thomas Association, inaugurated the seminar and said in KNN 24/7 that he do believe it's gonna let India take a long way. He's very much confident about the goals. He also said that if aluminium will be used for buses and other transport facility, then it's gonna save for the India as well as the worldwide. The construction sector in India is projected to emerge as the largest and used sector of aluminium. It's a major contributor of India's current GDP and one of the largest employment generators, currently employing around 33 million people. Professor K.S. Murthy, General Secretary of Aluminium Association of India, said that aluminium strength, low density, corrosion resistance and design flexibility make it the ideal material for building applications. While the India economy grew by 5% in FY13 and compared to 6.2% in FY12, the construction industry grew by 5.9% in FY13 against 5.6% in FY12. The sector holds ample promise for the future of aluminium in India. Mr. Jayagopal, Chairman, SAP Committee of Aluminium Association of India, and Mr. V. Gopal, Executive
Aluminium is growing in India. It's not had much impact so far in the construction industry in terms of volume, but I think it's growing very fast, and with this kind of seminars and movements, I think it augurs well. It's going to expand considerably. I think there's considerable amount of expertise at the seminar today. I was surprised at the number of people who attended, the real experts in the industry. So I think it's going to grow in great amount. You can see that other countries, the world consumption in construction industry is considerably more than India. And India, we are at a very low percentage of aluminium consumption in the construction industry. And I think if the movement is right, and as Professor was saying, if the new plants that have just been cleared are allowed to come into production, it will grow in leaps and bounds, and we may reach international standards in terms of consumption in the construction industry. Well, it's, the thing is, as the world gets more and more eco-friendly and more environmentally conscious, aluminium has a huge role. It is both an efficient conductor of thermal materials, and so it's got a huge role that's coming up. And I think in the future, the way to go would be to have mostly aluminium, provided the industry catches up and supports the construction industry with that.
Grow in the aluminum industry sector, we have no choice, because aluminum is a versatile material. It is also an engineering material as well as non-engineering material. Whether you take as utensils or packaging or anything, aluminum stands so. We have the 5th largest resources of bauxite in the world. Secondly, we have best bauxite. The entire Andhra coast, Orissa, several other states are very rich in bauxite. I must say that next to iron ore, India is gifted with the largest amount of bauxite. And surprisingly and pleasantly, we have plenty of coal, thermal grade coal, not coking coal. Thermal grade coal. See, the only way that the thermal grade coal can be used is to generate power. So we have plenty of coal in the country, and also coal and bauxite, they are together. You can mine, you see the bauxite, you can mine coal very close by. So the transportation cost of coal is negligible.